a look at factoring using the lazy AC method. So we have 2x squared plus 5x plus 3. If you learn this method, I think it's simpler than like grouping. So, but you gotta do some basic legwork first, right? This is A and this here is C. So you multiply them together. So you have 2 times 3, which is 6. As usual, when you factor often, you still need a number times a number equals 6, which is this result right here. And then the same number plus another same number as above, directly above, is equal to 5, which is the middle coefficient. Right, this 5 here is this 5 here. Okay, so sometimes you have to guess a little bit, but when you do that here, you find pretty quickly that, let's see, you can use 2 and 3, because 2 times 3 is 6, and then 2 plus 3 is 5, and it checks, correct? This is how this is a little bit different. This part is the same. So let's see, hold on. This was like 1, 2, 3. Okay, so step 4. I'll copy 2x squared plus 5x plus 3. And then you take 2x only. 2x only without the 2 up there in the exponent, just the 2x. And you make a set of parentheses. You put a copy of it here exactly. Close the parentheses, open parentheses, put a copy of it exactly as 2x. Not x or anything else. Close parentheses. Then use the numbers you have found. So this is what I mean. You're going to take the 2 here, and you're going to put the 2 over here. Then you're going to take the 3 here, and you're going to put the 3 over here. So that's going to give you here plus 2, and this is going to give you plus 3. And this is very close to the factored form. One last move that's a bit different here is this. Notice that 2x and 2, they have a common factor of 2. Because the 2 is present here, and the 2 is also clearly present here. So you got to divide that away so it's as simple as possible. So step 5, just divide this by 2 and then divide this by 2 like that. Divide by 2. Okay, divide by 2. So lastly, you end up with parentheses. 2 divided by 2 is 1x. So you have 1x left. The 2 constant divided by the 2 is 1. So you have a 1 in this position like that. Close parentheses open. 2x and 3 have no common factor besides positive 1. So you just copy those as 2x plus 3. And this is the factored form. Of course, conventionally, we don't write the explicit ones. Like this one here is not conventionally written. So you just put parentheses x plus 1 and then 2x plus 3. So this is called the lazy AC method. It's very effective if you have trouble with grouping and so on. All right, leave a like if it's helpful. Thanks.